Hello everyone, so today I thought I would just sit down and explain my whole NYX Cosmetics adventure with you guys. So I still cannot believe that I won. It feels so unreal at this point, and literally when I found out, I was in a shopping center and I was in such shock, and there was just so much going through my body. I was excited, I was nervous, and I was just like, I couldn't believe it, and still to today it feels so unreal. So I feel like it wouldn't really be possible without all the votes and the shares, the comments, the messages, the phone calls. You guys all made it possible, and I appreciate it so much. And then I also received a bunch of questions with regards to the Face Awards, so I'm going to go through some of them and just answer a few of them. So one of the most common questions that I was asked was, what did I win? What was the prize? So the prize is a trip to Los Angeles, and you get to attend some events and just do some things with NYX Cosmetics for the 5 days. I am not too sure exactly what we'll be doing. I'll obviously be doing another video about what we'll be doing when I know what we will be doing. But at this point, I just know that it's a trip to Los Angeles, and that's so exciting. Like, that's a prize on its own, just to be able to go to Los Angeles and travel. So I'm really excited and I cannot wait. A few other questions I received was how long it took you to create each look. So my last look for round 4 was definitely one of the looks that took the longest. That took me 13 hours of doing the makeup, filming the makeup, and then getting some after shots photos for the intro video and all of that stuff. So it was a good 13 hours. I started at 11 and I finished at about 3 a.m. in the morning. So another question was, what are you packing for LA fashion wise? So that was from Candy Cane Makeup. So I don't know yet what I'll be packing. I'm not too sure what we'll be doing, but I have definitely done some shopping and I have a few outfits planned out, but I will share that with you guys once I know more or less what we're doing and what I should pack. Another question was, how did you come to where you are now? So basically I started doing makeup at least, say, 8 years ago. I started just playing around with different things and different products, and just at home on my own. I didn't have any training whatsoever. I then eventually went to Camelot International and I did my first year in Camelot, and then I decided it wasn't based so much on makeup, so that was when I decided to attend Cole, which I loved to bits. I loved every moment spent there. I would be so excited to go to college every day, packing my makeup kit, washing my brushes, and just being there. The entire Cole team is really so supportive and so helpful, and I would really recommend Cole if you'd like to study further with makeup. So another question was, who helped you with your videos? They must be great. So one of my friends, Carl, helped me run around, get all the things I needed, all the props, the wings, the products, everything that I needed to create my final looks. So Carl, I love you to bits, and thank you so much for helping me. So another question was, where did you get your inspiration from? So from many of my looks, I got my inspiration from the products. I got my inspiration from scrolling through some art on Google, just different art techniques and different paintings and colors. And I must say the biggest inspiration is definitely color. I will just look at a color and be like, that's what I want to do, that's what I want to base my look around, is that color. So that's where I get my inspiration from. Which look for the Face Awards was your favorite to film? So definitely my last look. I loved it. I loved the smoke, I loved the lights, the cards hanging. I just loved the whole theme of the last look. I really felt like we were able to be more specific with what we were trying to do in sense of a theme. So definitely the last look was my favorite to film. I had my sister and my boyfriend blowing clouds of smoke, but yeah, it was definitely my favorite. Another question was, what made you start makeup? So what made me start makeup was just watching movies of makeup in terms of special effects, and just watching and thinking like, how do they do that, like what do they use? And I eventually was like, I want to be able to do that. I want to be able to create different characters. I want to be able to use different products and play around with different things and use my own imagination to create a character or characters that I'd like to create one day. So I think it was more from movies, and then also magazines. I used to read magazines quite a bit when I was younger. I wouldn't really read them, I would just buy them and look at all the pictures, and I was just like, I want to look like that, like I want to do my makeup like that. And every time I'd have a sleepover with a friend, we'd be like, hey, let's do our makeup, let's do this, let's take photos. So I think it just came from wanting to know how, and I eventually just really enjoyed it, and I enjoyed doing different things and playing with different products, and it's really been an entire adventure on its own. And yeah, so that was what made me want to do makeup in the first place. So guys, I really cannot believe that I won the first NYX Face Awards South Africa. Like, it's unreal. It feels unreal. It feels like it's just a dream. And closer and closer to the time, it's feeling a little bit more real, and it's just, every time I think of it, I get butterflies and 10,000 things run through my mind, like what are we gonna do, where are we gonna go, who am I gonna see? And it's such a great experience and a good feeling, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys and hopefully film every step of it and show you what I do along the way. So that was just a short video explaining to you guys what stage we are at now and answering a few questions. I didn't answer all questions, some weren't really relative to the Face Awards, but other than that, I cannot wait to share it with you guys, and I cannot keep saying that because it still feels not real. But I will keep you updated, and I will be posting a giveaway soon. It will be my first giveaway that I've ever done on my page, so it will only be open to South Africa. So if you want to enter, all the details will be in the description box below. So it will mostly be based around Instagram, and that's where I'll be posting it. But for any further details, it will also be in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely keep you updated, and when I find out what is happening and what we're going to do, I will definitely let you guys know. But once again, thank you for all the love and support throughout this adventure. I really didn't expect to get this much support from everyone, and it really is amazing, and thank you so much.